Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so happy to say that this is going to be a collaboration with Mind Soul Mommy. Her name is Jennifer, and she basically was one of the first people to befriend me when I first started this channel. And she's so sweet. She's a mom. She has two kids, a boy and a girl, Isaiah and Paris. So we'll basically be doing our front porches today. So when you finish here on my channel, I'll leave the link below. Definitely go and check out her channel. And if you're new from her channel, I want to say thank you, welcome. I'd love to have you become a part of my family. So definitely subscribe. Here you'll find a lot of, motherhood, lifestyle, cleaning, motivation type videos. So if that's something that you guys think that you'll like and be interested in, as I said, definitely click that subscribe button and stay tuned to what we have to show you guys. These are some of the items that I have that I'm going to be using in front today. I have a bow. I'm going to put that on top of that lantern, I believe. The lantern I'm going to probably fill with acorns, maybe some eucalyptus or some bulbs. I'm not sure yet. I have to get some stuff out of the garage. This is the mat that I'm going to be using. The lamp, the bow, and all the other items are basically from Walmart. And this mat is from Kirkland. Sorry if you hear the noise in the background. My son is outside playing. So I'm going to be using these. My wreaths are already in the garage. I'm going to pull those out. I have to clean those off, and I'll show you guys how it's looking right now outside. Sorry about the noise in the background. Bless you, I have the kids outside as well. These are the wreaths that I've had for a couple of years now. I actually wanted to change them, but wreaths can be so expensive, and I'm actually not personally in the mood at the moment to make any. So I'm going to use these, clean them off. If I feel the need to change them, I will, and I'll give you guys an update at that time. Get there. You can lay it down better, right, Lee?
Yeah.
See how we do. I don't have a lot of scraping. We'll see. It's a lot better though, right?
Yeah.
A lot better. It's a little bit newer, so we don't have to buy anything. Alright? My daughter's helping me because I can't put the stand out here. So she's gonna be my videographer for today. Alright, okay, that's good, right?
Yeah.
Running out.
You can use mine.
It's almost done. Not a lot left.
Anymore?
This should be good. I just wanted to blacken it up some so it looks
It's
so good.
windy.
Yeah, that's a lot in the grass.
Right over here.
I think that's good enough.
Yeah.
Let's see. Yeah, so that's a lot better. So we'll let it dry and we'll put it back with the plant.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you. 'Cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. While we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. Love and so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh.
I don't know what he's thinking when he'd rather spend his Christmas holiday with someone else. I guess he stopped thinking about me. Yeah. I don't know what he's thinking when he says that he's been driving all night, all day to celebrate Christmas with me. But he's not here, and I'm not there.
So I have this. I got these out of the garage to use to put inside here. This usually I have on the lights hanging outside and also on the door. I got these from the dollar store and they were cute, so I figured I'd keep them. But unfortunately, somebody has all of these tangled up, so I'll either have to sit here and try to go through them. I've been trying to untangle them and it's taking forever and it's very hot outside, so I'm gonna just work with what I have right now. Hey baby. And then I will try to, we got one. So that's good. I will try to do the ones for the lights in a little bit since I got that one out. Put those scissors down, Mason, please. So I had to take a quick intermission to change Mason, but I was able, as soon as I put the camera down, these came apart. So these will be going on the lights, as I said. And this, as long as I like how it looks, will be going on the door. And I'm gonna go ahead and try to get this lantern filled up now with these bulbs to see if I like it. Yes. Those in there. I think I'll keep some of the pretty ones for the tree and try to use more of the plain ones for inside of here. Let's see. Okay, so that's how much I have in there. I think that's good enough. You get the idea of what I'm going for. And now I'm going to add the bow onto it, which is right here. I'm going to add the bow onto it. So I don't want it to be too.
So much water.
I don't want it to be too covered up. So probably do it like that. Let's see. I want you to be able to see the bulbs in it, but I don't want it to be too covered up. So let's see. Maybe that will do. I'll tweak it a little bit more, and then I think that'll be that. I feel it's a little bit too long, so I want to see the bulbs more. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut it up like this, just to get rid of some of that bow. I think that looks a lot better. So, say about here. Yeah, I think that looks a lot better.
It's white outside, and the night is cold. Everyone's lighting candles in their homes. Yes, it's Christmas. It's a magic time. You can feel it in the air, that every child got their hearts filled up with joy. Yes, it's Christmas all around. Oh, snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing, Merry Christmas to you. This time of year is a time to cheer. Let our loved ones, our family and friends have a Christmas with so much love, and with joy and laughter. Let us make memories that stay forever. It's Christmas today. Oh, snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing, Merry Christmas to you.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this Decorate With Me of the porch, and remember to click the link below to go check out Mine So Mommy's channel as well. And again, if you're new from her channel, thank you for watching. I hope you guys like what you saw. Definitely subscribe. I apologize if there was any type of noise and things like that in the background. I do have kids and my house is usually busy, so I apologize for that again. And I thought it would be done in like 10 minutes, but unfortunately it took a little bit longer than that. But I thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you. And make sure you keep a lookout, because I have a couple more Decorate With Me videos coming. I'm definitely going to be doing my tree, and I think I may also do a little tablescape for you guys. Alright? So again, thank you for checking out my channel. See you guys later.
Christmas choir sing, Merry Christmas to you.
So we do get a lot of sun during the day, so I just wanted to show you guys a shot of the house, how it looks when it's not shining so bright in the doorway. And I think it came out really great. And I will be repositioning that sign, but for the sake of the video, I left it there.